To renew your HDFC Life term insurance policy, just type HDFC Life on Google and open this link hdfclife.com, or you can directly go to hdfclife.com website. The website homepage will look like this. Now go to the header section. Under header section, you will see a profile picture option. Now click on it. Here you can see customers. Under customers, select individual. Now you can log in with your mobile number and date of birth, or email ID with date of birth and other details like policy ID or client ID. After entering your mobile number, date of birth, you will get a one-time password. Enter that OTP, and after that you can log into your HDFC Life dashboard. Your HDFC Life dashboard will look like this. Here you can see your plan details. Now click on pay premium. Now you will see all the details like your name, due date, your email ID, other details. Now accept these terms and conditions. Just tick this box and click on proceed to pay. Here you can see different payment methods. I am choosing credit card. Now select the type of the card which you have. Now you can see an option called register for auto debit. If you want to register for auto debit option, just tick this box. Otherwise untick this box. Now click on pay now. After successful payment, you will see this message. For the premium payment made today, the receipt will be available in the next 24 hours. For receipts from the previous financial year, use the past statements tab. I have paid the premium today, so I will get the statement tomorrow. And if you want to download the previous statements, go to the past statements here and you can download the payment receipt. So this is how you can renew your HDFC Life term insurance plans online. Still, if you have any doubts, ask them in the below comment section.